Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, July the 18th, 2025. This week, the Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index provided a textbook lesson in how technical analysis helps navigate strong bull markets when volume fades and momentum stalls. So we're not surprised at all that there was profit taking around the 140,000 psychological barrier. Let's see in detail why. So this is where we are right now, a 68.13 point loss today. Importantly, the market is still very firmly bullish, well above all important moving averages. ADX showing 39.14, very strong trend. However, here is the detail. MACD is still bullish, but the histogram momentum continues to flatten. It rose for one day, but it's down again. And the gap between these two lines is also narrowing. And the candlestick formed today is a variant of what is called the shooting star, which is a short-term reversal signal in Japanese candlestick reading, candle chart reading. And this volume again shows today volume has also decreased. So we are facing a situation where the trend was bullish, but volume and momentum indicators were raising signals. That tells you that the trend could be near exhaustion. Combine that with the 140,000 psychological barrier, since we are in uncharted territory in record high levels. So most barriers are either psychological or Fibonacci, etc., as we've discussed before. Combining all these factors, it is very natural for profit taking to occur over here. So a verdict for the day is that the rally, although still bullish, is now slowing as volume fades and momentum stalls. The bias remains bullish, no doubt, but it is now stressed. Once again, these are times when you should protect your gains, not chase new highs. We will be watching these levels very carefully because, once again, smart money always looks for a test and a retest before going higher. A market fundamentally strong often tests its levels one or two times before jumping up. This is the time for caution. This is when the market is thinking. So stay tuned and watch these indicators, especially volume and momentum. Stay tuned. Thank you.